A very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the next topic, and it is of describing things, describing objects. I hope you are getting the lectures properly, and I know that because you are a very good student, so you have practiced how to introduce yourself. For example, today we are going to start the new topic, that is describing objects. If you have something there in your hand, if you have something there at your home, then how you will describe that thing, okay, you will come to know here in this video. First of all, you will describe its color, its sound, its size, touch, category, shape, and where it is, and smell. Okay, means you can describe its color. For example, if you have a book in your hand, you can describe its color, its size, okay, and you can describe its category, means if it is rectangular shape, it is oval shape, okay. So you can describe where it is placed generally. Clear? So you can describe according to you can describe the different characteristics of different objects according to their qualities. Clear? So we will practice how to describe objects in our own way and in our own sentence. Let's take one example. For example, this mixer is here in front of you. How you will have to describe these? First of all, you will have to describe that this mixer is made of metal and plastic. It consists of 5 parts. Okay, a base is there, a stand is there, a motor housing beater is there, and a bowl is there. And you can describe, as I told you before, that you can describe its color, its shape, its size. So here you can tell that the base is circular. Students, we have already practiced about is, am, are. Clear? So we know that with the singular object you will mention here is, with plural object we will mention, okay, are. So here you can tell it is 12 centimeter wide and 15 centimeter long. Let's have another example. Here is cup in front of you. So how you will describe? This is a cup, okay, and the cup is made of glass. You can tell it's transparent, it's rigid, hard, and smooth. So you can tell its characteristics now. We can't bend it, okay, we can't twist it, we can't stretch it, and we can't squash it. Means in this way, and with the telling of all the characteristics of the different object, you can describe that particular object. The cup is a manufactured object because it is made by people. Okay, so the cup isn't a magnetic object because it is not made of metal. Okay, it is made of glass. As you can see here in this picture, the cup sinks when you put it into the water. Okay, so these are some ways, means when you are going to describe the different object, you can tell its shape, you can tell with how it is made of. Okay, so here is a guitar in front of you. When you are going to describe, you can add that in my free time I like to play the guitar. Okay, and after that you start describing that particular object. For example, a guitar is a musical instrument. It is usually made out of wood. It is about 1 meter tall. It has a large eggplant shaped body with a long thin neck. It has 6 strings that you pluck to make sounds. It can be the color of wood and can be painted any color. It is very expensive. Okay, it is very dear, and I like to play guitar. Okay, one deer is there, DEAR, loving, and the another deer is here, DEAR. It describes the cost. Okay, कि costly है, महंगा है. Clear? So how you will describe the particular object? Okay, means by saying this line that in my free time I like to play the guitar, means this is the way to describe the different object. Here some points are here and some blanks are also here. You have to describe it. Okay, by choosing the appropriate answer from the boxes. First of all, it's okay, as you can see here, transparent waterproof plastic jacket is here, so it is soft. It's dash and dash. Okay, you can write is it's waterproof and transparent. It's not rigid. Clear? So in this way, by choosing the appropriate answer from the different boxes, you will describe the object. Okay, and you can describe here the waterproof jacket is here. Clear? So this is the way to describe the different object. Students, what you have to do? Okay, take any object from your home and start describing the things to your friends, to your family members, or to your brother or sister. In this way, you can practice how to describe the different objects. This is the best method to learn English. Here we have a book in front of us. Okay, we start describing about the book. As we can see that this is a book. Okay, here English is written here, means this book is of English. It has green color and we can say it has green and yellow color. Clear? It has many pages. So this is the way to describe the different objects. Let's practice it. Thank you.